Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general reading, guys. So let's start with these cards here, guys. For your general energies, we have 4 of stars in reverse, 5 of stars and 2 of moons. So Virgos, in your situation today, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. So today in your situation, guys, you are seeing that certain things are going not up to your expectation, something beyond your expectation, and you are unable to handle this situation. Something something inevitable is coming in. Your circumstances are such that you are unable to do anything, and you feel neglected, and you feel there is no one to help you or guide you today, and you feel really lost, humiliated. Maybe there are people in your career situation or maybe in this relationship, you never expected this to happen, but it has happened, and you are maybe seeing that things could have been better if people were there to guide you, guys. And I also see that you are someone very skilled and talented. So maybe for some of you, you are coming out of this difficult situation, guys. You are a person of strong willpower and determination, and you are taking the right steps, what needs to be done today, and you are coming out of this difficult situation. Maybe for some of you, you are worried because of some illness, or it may be an illness on your part or someone, and someone is here to guide you, help you today, guys. Or maybe you are requesting someone's help to come out of this difficult situation. Maybe you are asking for some suggestions, guys, or some advice, and you are definitely out of this difficult situation, guys. That is what I see. And also you have maybe things are pushing you towards a partnership or collaboration, guys, in your business. So something which you love to do, you are moving towards that in your career situation or in your relationship. Maybe this difficult situation, it has brought a clear understanding between you and this person you love. So you both share a beautiful relationship now, and you are working with harmony and balance, and these stressful times has brought out your good nature, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. It is 10 of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your relationship, 10 of Suns in reverse, guys. Maybe there is someone trying to create problems for you, guys. They are trying to separate you both. So that may be the reason you are having some they are pushing you towards some inevitable circumstance, maybe some difficulties. So that may involve someone who is jealous of you and this person you love. So you are going to come out of this difficult situation, guys. So this person is the reason for troubles in your situation, guys, Virgos, and you are surely coming out of this difficult situation, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. we have Three of Suns. So with this card, guys, in your career situation, things are going to go in a perfect way. Maybe you're traveling to a different place for work or some kind of collaboration to finalize some deals, some kind of travel is involved. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, Virgos. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Virgos. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes. Meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with this card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card here. I will keep this card aside. So let's see what is your first card for those who chose this card. Such a beautiful card here, guys. 1. So this card just means that each and every one of us, we are all part of that divine spark, guys. So just like a gold chain or an ornament is made out of gold, molten gold. So that molten gold is the origin, and that in the situation that we may compare that to universe or God or higher power, and the ornaments are us. So it is the same thing. So what comes out of it, it's the same as what is there in the beginning. So all of us have that divine spark in us, and we need not fear whatever is happening in our situation. We need not worry, because we have that divine energy in each and every one of us. So whatever is manifesting in our life is our own doing, guys, and we need not have any fear or worry or apprehension because of that. So we need to understand that. And the appearance of this card in a reading, guys, it just means that you are in some kind of confusion, something is worrying you today, and something is really weighing heavy on your heart, and you are in some confused state. You don't know which path to take up, whether to go for this path or that. But you need to understand that whatever is the right thing or whatever will be the right choice will come to you on its own, guys. You need not worry, and it will find you drawn to it. That choice will will attract you, and you need not worry or have any feelings of fear today, guys. No need to get confused, and this choice will come to you, so you need not worry about it. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So all that is supposed to happen will happen at the right time, guys, and nothing bad will ever happen to us, because we are all part of that whole, whatever you call it, God, universe, or that higher power. So nothing will ever go wrong for us. Everything will be perfectly alright in our life. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. It is time to go. So this card may on the outright you may think that this card stands for a breakup or some kind of separation, but in truth, guys, it is just that emotional detachment. That is what is happening today, guys. That release you feel emotionally to something, some situation or a person. So you are in a situation right now, you are unable to do anything for this person or for that situation, and you have taken stock of whatever you have learned, and there is nothing new you can add to that circumstance, and your suggestions or ideas or your presence is no longer needed. So you need to understand that your journey or your part you need to play in this circumstance has come to an end. So that does not mean that it is this relationship is moving towards a breakup. You need to give up your attachment you have on this person, guys. Go for that emotional release. So if you love something or someone, you just need to let them go, guys. And if that person comes back, it just means that they love you and this connection is meant to be. But if they do not come back, it just means that this relationship was never meant to be. So if you want something deeper, if you want a more deeper, emotional, perfect, compatible relationship, and you want that clear understanding, you need to walk away, take a step back. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. That is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.